Imagine this, it's 1983, and an art museum in California is about to make history. They're about to buy a rare ancient Greek statue called a kouros. It looks perfect, with all the details matching historical records. Scientists analyze it, and everything checks out. But when a few art experts take just a single glance at it, they get a strange feeling, something is off. Their gut tells them it's fake. And guess what? They were right. After further investigation, the statue was proven to be a modern forgery. But how did these experts know in just a blink, while science took months to find the truth? That's exactly what Malcolm Gladwell explores in Blink, The Power of Thinking Without Thinking. This book is all about how our brain makes split-second decisions, and why they're sometimes more accurate than slow, deliberate thinking. Section 1, The Power of Thin Slicing. Gladwell introduces the concept of thin slicing. This means that our brain can make quick judgments based on very little information. Just like those art experts knew the statue was fake without deep analysis, our subconscious can recognize patterns instantly. For example, in one study, researchers showed people silent clips of teachers for just a few seconds. Surprisingly, the students' ratings of the teachers matched the reviews given by actual students who had taken full courses with them. This shows that sometimes, our first impression can be as good as, or even better than, a detailed analysis. Section 2, When Snap Judgments Go Wrong. But quick thinking isn't always right. Gladwell also explains how snap judgments can be influenced by biases. One shocking example comes from the world of police training. There have been tragic cases where officers made split-second decisions and wrongly shot innocent people because their subconscious associated certain races or appearances with danger. Another example is in hiring. Some companies unknowingly prefer taller candidates for leadership positions because people instinctively associate height with authority. This shows that while our brain is powerful, it can also be tricked by unconscious prejudices. Section 3, How to Improve Your Snap Decisions. So, can we train ourselves to make better quick decisions? Gladwell says yes. The key is experience and exposure. The more we practice something, the better our intuition becomes. That's why expert firefighters can sense danger in a burning building without seeing it, or why experienced doctors can diagnose a rare disease in seconds. One way to improve our snap judgments is to eliminate distractions. For example, orchestras used to hire mostly male musicians. But once they introduced blind auditions, where musicians played behind a curtain, more women started getting hired. This proved that when people focused only on the music, their judgments became more fair and accurate. Conclusion, Key Takeaways. So, what does Blink teach us? Our brain is powerful, and sometimes our first impressions are incredibly accurate. But we need to be aware of our biases and train our instincts through experience. Whether you're making a quick decision in business, relationships, or everyday life, understanding how your mind works can help you think smarter in the blink of an eye. And that's it for today's book summary. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights from amazing books. See you in the next video.